been from Ringsend. The ferry was there when I was a child. We used to swim off the slipway in the ferry. That's where his landing stage was. And when we were children, we used to get onto the ferry, not with permission from the driver, but we used to get onto the ferry and go as far on the ferry as you could and then jump in and swim back. And the bravest is whoever stayed on it the last. I was at sea till 1971. So I became an able seaman and well experienced all the ships. When it was, as I said, it was home off one of the ships. The job came available on the ferry. They were stuck for a driver, and I wasn't actually looking for the job, but I took it. And I stayed on the ferry for 9 months. It's a great achievement. I think it's a great thing to happen, and I hope it succeeds. I hope to be a second ferry on the river.
This is kind of phase one of a much bigger project to start a maritime training college to bring people from the traditional north and south side communities through the north and south side resource centres. Well, for those the traditional communities, both north and south of the river in the catchment area of Dublin Port, it will take the skill sets from the older generations and conserve it and bring it forward into the future. Richie had seen it was going to basically get scrapped, and he had the foresight to basically grab it and preserve it, and then gradually to do it up a little bit. And then the Irish Nautical Trust came on board with Dublin City Council and Dublin Port and a lot of funding, and brought it up to the condition you can see it in today. It goes from the Killarney here on the north side over to Sir John Rogerson's Quay, and then our third stop is back down on the north side again at the Point Theatre. You know, it's only €2. I mean, when any city in the world, if you see an attraction for €2, you're going to give it a go, aren't you?